Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to stake Ethereum using Trust Wallet. Ensure you have the latest version of the Trust Wallet app installed on your device for a smooth staking experience. If you don't already have Ethereum in your wallet, you can deposit or buy it. From the wallet's home screen, tap the Earn button. Browse through the available assets and select Ethereum as the cryptocurrency you wish to stake. Tap Stake to begin the staking process. Enter the amount of Ethereum you want to stake and choose a validator by selecting Validator drop-down menu. Validators play a role in managing a blockchain, and their section may impact your staking rewards. After selecting your validator, tap Continue, review the transaction details, and follow the on-screen instructions to finalize and confirm your stake. Now, research validators for performance and reliability. Keep an eye on your staked Ethereum and rewards through the Trust Wallet app, and remember that unstaking Ethereum might require a waiting period before it becomes accessible. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.